Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to move your list from a board to another in Trello web application. So now what I want you to do is to open your Trello website and then just connect with your Trello account. And if you don't already have a Trello account, all you need to do is to connect with either your Google, Facebook or Apple accounts. Otherwise you can just sign up with your email and then just connect to Trello. After that, all we need to do is to go to boards, and here we will find our boards view where we can reach or access to our boards. Otherwise, you can just go to your board section, and here you can click on the board that you want to move a list from it. And I'm going to choose this board, and here let's suppose that I want to remove or to move this list. All I need to do is to go to this 3 points action, and here we will find a move list. So basically you can do this 3 points action. You will find them in all your lists here in your board. So we click on it, and here we will click on move list. And basically it will tell us on which board we want to move our list. And basically I have two boards, so I'm going just to move it to the grant tracking templates, and I'm going to click on it. And of course you can also choose which position your list will be moved to. So either the first one, the second one, third one, etc, etc. So I'm going just to choose second one as an example, and I'm going to click move. As you can see, my list has been moved, and I'm going to search for it here in the grant track template. So basically we need to find it in the second position, and obviously it is here in the second position, and it got moved successfully to this board. So basically this is how you can move your ports in a Trello web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.